Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Trivedi. Welcome back to my channel IHS. It's Innovative Hospitality Solutions. आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा था and I spoke about the entrance entrance examination, how to enter in the industry, how students and through which website they can enter. Now, suppose they have entered the college. The next major thing, what they are keeping in mind before entering, or what people are telling him, what they are going to learn in first year, right? There are four major departments in hotel industry: front office, housekeeping, food production, which is kitchen as well, and F&B services. These four major departments, our students they are aware about these four major departments only. Okay, fine. uh, Across the India, across the country, I'll talk about the mentality about the industry. लोग क्या सोचते हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कि होटलिंग के कोर्स में he could be a waiter or a bawarchi. They specifically use this word bawarchi for chef. It happens actually. So the thing is, you don't need to take these things in mind or by heart, right? You are going to be a successful hotelier. एक चीज आपको दिमाग में रखनी है, हमेशा रखनी है, people are going to comment because you cannot change the mentality of people, those who are not aware about the industry. जो इस चीज के बारे में जानते नहीं है, उनको कुछ पता नहीं है. But you have to gone through from a very basic level to become a manager. कोई भी स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टली कॉलेज को पास करके he is never going to be a manager soon. It will take a lot of years, a time, your efforts, your extra piece of mind, your knowledge, your patience. There are a lot of things, activities, how you perform. So there are a lot of things involved which make a one decorated manager. And before becoming a manager, you have to cross a lot of hurdles. There are a lot of hurdles. Yes, you heard it right. And then once you become a manager, you are going to have a little bit peaceful life, of course. So the thing is about these four major departments of the hotel industry. Front office is known as the nerve center of the hotel industry, you might all know. Second, kitchen. I'll talk about food production. Kitchen is the department which is going to make chefs, right? F&B service is the department where you have to start your career as a steward or waiter. Waiter is known as steward as well. Plus your next level will be a team leader, supervisor, a restaurant supervisor, or wherever you are going to place. After that, there is a fourth department known as housekeeping. So during your college days, during your training, internship, you have to go through everything. आपसे हर तरह का काम करवाएंगे वो लोग, ठीक है? बिकॉज जस्ट बी हैप्पी, डोंट टेक इट बाय हर्ट. आप लोगों को ये चीज़ अपने माइंड में रखनी है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में आपको अपने एटीट्यूड को, अगर आप बहुत बड़ी फैमिली से हैं, उस चीज़ को अपने माइंड में रखते हुए बिल्कुल नहीं आना है. Because once seniors will start screwing you, you are literally gonna cry each and every day if you have not become serious. I am telling you, I have trained many people and there are many examples, those who have cried in front of me. But literally now they are sitting into a position where they have a very good profile, a decorated manager, a general managers, earning higher salaries, very well financially settled, and now nobody is telling them that you are a bawarchi or a waiter, or these words are not coming to them now. So literally just patience is the key to success, especially in hospitality industry. Keep this thing in mind. There are four major departments, what I told you. Apart from this, there are departments. Yes, there is not only four major departments in the industry. Each and every department has its own importance in the industry. Apart from these four departments, now I'll tell you there is fifth department known as maintenance and engineering department in hospitality industry. That department is also very important. Without maintenance and engineering department, how the project couldn't be done, right? You cannot make a hotel like you cannot complete a hotel without engineering. There are a lot of hurdles every day while running a property which is already on your way, which is coming on your way. How you can suppose if the electricity or like any small maintenance issues are there in the kitchen, so that department itself has been its own importance. Human resource, HR, yes, the hiring team is very much important for any hotel, any catering, any industry. Same like any industry, any other industry, HR department is pretty much important here also. Okay, so recruitment heads and recruitment managers are doing really good in the industry, so you can see yourself and focus yourself towards that also. There is sales and marketing, and yes, people are getting hired from the colleges. It was 2013 batch in IHM Chitkara, Chandigarh, when I was appearing. I was sitting for campus placements. It was F&B services department when I was there, and there were people along with me in my batch. We all were students that time, and they used to. There are different colleges. Those who are coming in my college for the campus placement. One of our student, he was with me. His name was Rahul Galot. Yeah, one of my very good friend itself. He was the guy was very pretty much passionate, and he was ready, and he was very much comfortable that what he's gonna do in industry. He is ready for everything. That guy has cracked the placement in sales and marketing, and he's been picked by the Grand Hotel in New Delhi. So the industry doesn't end with these four major departments. They are the four major departments. Most of the general managers come from F&B service, front office, sales, or kitchen. So keep these things in mind. HR also has an equal importance in that. So these departments are also very much important, right? After that, there is purchasing department also. So I heard like many colleges have in first year they don't provide the vast era of the industry. They don't provide such kind of knowledge to the students that these departments are also there in the industry where your future could be you can take the step in your future towards these departments as well. So who is telling you that the industry is having a small scope or the industry is not gonna grow in future? Think twice. You are going towards a very well groomed industry. A high profile clients are going to be there in front of you once you entered the industry, right? In India, I have personally served many celebrities across when I was working in La Meridian. Even all the big celebrities from top to bottom, when that time was 2013 and 2014, there were many celebrities like those who have become big stars now. They were struggling actors that time. Even they were there in the Meridian, and including our Shah Rukh Khan sir, Amitabh Bachchan. Everybody is coming in the industry in a hotels like five-star hotels, and they all are responsible. You guys will be responsible if you join F&B services for their events, and there is banquet services also. You might gonna see them in the banquets. So the industry is pretty nice. Just it is asking you one thing only: a patience. Just build your attitude towards build your patience, build your attitude, keep yourself down to earth for 5 years. Definitely you are going to achieve a lot in this industry. So apart from these four major departments, keep this in mind. There are many career options, there are many departments as well, there are many companies as well. Okay, there are many jobs available not only in these four major departments. So students, don't get yourself confused, don't get yourself double minded. If you are in the college, study with your heart, do your best, give your best, and definitely you will be a future manager, and you're going to be a future general managers. For now, please subscribe my channel, and very soon I'll be updating few vacancies also for UAE on board. The vacancies are there, as I am connected with few of my friends, those who are running their consultancies, job consultancies, and job portals, their job portals on board. I'll be posting few vacancies. I will talk to them, and that is really gonna help few. Like there will be a few vacancies. No, it's not like a bulk number of people required. So few people required, but just look at the vacancy carefully. Be updated on the please be updated towards this channel, so that the content will help you, and God knows who might have hit the right chance to go ahead. For now, good night, take care of yourself. I'll see you again in my next video, and I'll describe few more interesting thing about the hospitality industry. Take care, good night, thank you.